We are going to be looking at how to categorize your transactions in QuickBooks. So on the left hand side, if you go to transactions and then bank transactions, in this section you will typically have the bank account connected on a live bank feed, but in this case we don't have the bank connected, but it'll work exactly the same. However, if you did have the bank feed connected to your bank account live, it will show a balance here. Still works the same if from the way that we're just doing it here. So what this does, if you run a live bank feed, it'll bring the transactions like say below, how we've done it in this example, and it will generate the transactions daily, and it's basically live, so basically it mirrors your exact bank statement, so it's bringing in those transactions in for you. So you've got various columns and it splits it all out for you. So you've got your date, the description, the PAYE, which QuickBooks tries and fills in automatically for you, category or match, which I'll look at further, VAT, and then spend and received. So we're just going to look at each one and how it works. So as you'll see on some of these, they've got green as one match found. Now this will appear if you've either uploaded a sales invoice or a purchase invoice / bill to QuickBooks, and it will try and match to that invoice to pay it off. So in this case, we have uploaded a sales invoice for Joe's Cafe for £120, and that was raised on the 1st of November, and Joe's sent the money across on the 14th. So on these ones, you just need to click match. You obviously need to check that it's matching to the right invoice, as it wants to pay off the right invoice and not show is still outstanding in the sales and expenses section in QuickBooks. So on these ones, you just click match. And then as you can see, there's the food and drink wholesaler that we uploaded in another video where I done the purchase and bill invoice. So that one is shown as one match found because we've uploaded a bill for it. And it's going to food and drink wholesaler, and the amounts tie in. So we'll just match that. And likewise with the phone is doing the same thing, and because we've got an actual invoice for them. If however they weren't matching to the right invoice for you, you would click on the line and it will come up with a section below, and you'll click find other matches. This section will appear and it'll come up with a list of all the bills you've raised, and you can untick it if it's clicking on the wrong one, and then tick the right one that you would like to pay off. So in this case, it's the phone. So I'm going to tick that one. And as you can see, the difference is nil, which is what you would like. So I'm just going to click save. And then that kind of clears it off the list as being dealt with. So these two don't actually have a match because we haven't uploaded a sales invoice or we haven't uploaded a bill. So in these ones, you need to kind of tell QuickBooks who it's for. So for the bank charges, we just need to click on this line and this section will appear below. So you will need to fill in the details. So category, it's bank charges. So usually this will go to bank charges. I haven't got a category set up, so just need to click account type, and it's expenses and bank charges, and then it fills bank charges in for you. Save and close, and it will automatically fill in the category for you. The VAT is exempt on the bank charges, and you just want to make sure that your memo's filled in. Obviously with bank charges, it's pretty straightforward as to what it is, so we're just going to leave it as bank charges. And then all you need to do is click add, and then with Scott's Coffee, this is income into the bank, so we need to tell QuickBooks what it is. So if we click on the line below again, and the category is going to be sales, so it's just on the list there, and there'll be VAT on it, so it's just 20% sales, Scott's Coffee, and we're just going to just kind of tell why we haven't uploaded an invoice. I'm just going to put catering event and then leave that, and then that information will transfer to your reports and you will click add. So that is the bank all up to date as that at that moment in time. So that is how you categorise transactions in QuickBooks.